Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. So today I have ordered a mic from Amazon. As you all know that there is a sale going on. So I have ordered this Senheiser XS Lav microphone with that 3.5 mm jack. I just got this parcel and for the MRP it is around 4000 something, but I got it for like 2590. So let's check this package. So this is the package. Okay, so the package is not in good condition as I can see, but let's hope everything inside the box would be good. So it is XS Lav mobile clip-on lavalier microphone. I had the options of like Boa, Moano, or I guess that was Rode or something, which was like 5000 or something. But I checked the samples on Sound Guys or somewhere else, I don't remember. So as per the reviews, other seems to be pretty similar, like that Boa, Moano, JBL. And with this one, it seems to have noise reduction, like wind and everything like that. So on the box you can see idle for podcast, video and voice over recordings that require a simple high quality setup, omnidirectional microphone, accessories included mic clip, wind protector and stuff like that. So as you can see, the price is 4490 and I got it for like 2590, so approximately 1900 discount. So what else we have? Frequency 50 to 18,000 hertz, weight 19 grams, cable length 2 meters, 2 years of warranty. I don't think so there is anything. Okay, SLI delivers professional level, blah blah blah. So let's unbox this one now. That's pretty much it. So you will get this booklet wrapped in this paper. Lavalier microphone for smart devices, and packaging is not that great, to be honest. So it is just a booklet. With all the instructions to clean this, I guess. Okay, let's keep it aside. For a moment I thought this is just a book, so this is the microphone. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You will get this pouch, which seems to be of pretty average quality. I had a better one with the V-Moda neckband earphones, the Voza Metal Wireless. So you will get this and this and this and this. So let's check the audio quality. So as of now I am recording from the inbuilt microphone of my Redmi Note 10 Pro, which is not that great but not bad either. So now I'm gonna use this microphone and let me know if there is any change in the quality. I hope I am audible so far. So cable is pretty long, I guess, but it does not look like it's a very premium quality, but it's not bad either. So this is the microphone. So I'm gonna plug it in now. First I will try it without the windshield, then with that. So now hopefully the voice is getting recorded from the Senheiser XS Lav mobile. I hope the sound quality is better. That's the reason why I've purchased this microphone. Do let me know in the comment section below if you guys notice any difference in the sound quality. So let me turn on the fan and see if there is any difference. So it is pretty noisy but not that much. Now let me use the windshield. Okay, now I'm using the windshield and you guys let me know if there is any difference when I'm using the windshield and when I'm not using it, and if there is any quality drop in between the voice before I turned on the fan and after I turned on the fan. For example, this is the voice straight from the phone with the fan on. Now this is the voice with the Sennheiser microphone with the fan on. So do let me know in the comment section below if you think the audio quality is better, then it's pretty good. So thank you for watching this video. That's pretty much it from my end. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below.